bring that back. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. How you ain't gon' fuck? Bitch, I'm me. I'm the goddamn reason you ain't VIP. CEO, you don't have the CID. I'm young, wild, and strapped like G.I.Lee. Blah! We ain't got nothing to worry about. Whoop ass, let security carry about. Watch out for the medallion, my diamonds are reckless. Feels like a midget is hanging from my necklace. I pulled up with a million trucks, looking, smelling, feeling like $1,000,000. Pass the bottles, the heat is on. We in the huddle, all smoking that Cheech and Chong. What's wrong? The club and the moon is full, and I'm lady to pull. One short shot, hands, take note to the brand new dance like this. When I move, you move. When I move, you move. When I move, you move. Hell yeah, hey DJ, bring that back. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Go on with your big ass, let me see something. Tell your little friend you can quit being mucking. I'm lit and I don't care what no one thinks. But where the fuck they go to sit down with you know? People outside and they can't get in. We gon' rush the back door, break them in. The owner already pissed cause we sorta late. But our time and our flow gotta coordinate. Most goods looking right, some looking a mess. That's why they spilling drinks all over your dress. But Louis Vuitton bras all over your press. Got me wanting to put pinkies all over your chest. Come on, we gon' party tonight. Y'all use mouth to mouth, bring the party to life. Don't be scared, show another party of life. The more drinks in your system, the harder the fight. Now